Welcome to ProServe 2012 training videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about the user defaults here. And in doing that, I'm going to go ahead and crank up a customer so that I've got one pulled up. I'm going to use my Paint program here to kind of cover this. And I'm going to drop down and cover some of the customer information here. Are you using sales tax? And when I add a new customer, should that sales tax default on or off? That's this right here. When I'm setting up a new service account, should my map code default from the zip code, or should you just leave that blank? When I add a new service account, should my schedule, should that be on or off? In my service account file, and also I'm going to cover this one. So my territory code and my billed service months. Should the program build into my system the months into my third note here? Okay. The other one was, should it require me to enter a territory code? Okay. When I'm sending out email, or when you're sending out email, should it send the user that's sending the email out, should it send them a blind copy? If you're using Gmail, this will actually go into your sent box. So you really don't need this if you're using Gmail. When I'm verifying my schedule dates, or in the scheduler, should it verify your schedule date to keep you from scheduling something for yesterday? Should the program, when I'm posting work order tickets, should this thing verify my post dates? I circled this because it's extremely important. I mean, it's very important that you let the program verify post dates. See, if you don't, I could come here and accidentally press the down arrow key. And if I don't have that feature on, it's not going to test it. It's not going to check it to see if I've done something right or wrong. See, maybe I've changed it to November. Well, it's not going to let me do that. If you've got this off, then it's not going to pay any attention to your dates at all. It'll let you post anything you want to post. When I'm posting purchase orders, should it default on to post into my payables? When I'm saving all, when I click the Save All button in the system, do I really need the program to, let me change that back to October. We'll go ahead and post this. I'm going to skip the payment. when I save all, do I really need it to ask me this question again right here after I save all? Well, if I turn this feature off, then it would skip that and not ask me again, do I want to save all? When I'm in the scheduler program, should it default all departments on? Scheduler, should this be on or should it default off? Okay. When I'm printing a single work order, let's say from OpenWhip, should that default on or off right there? Don't worry about loadout. When I'm posting work order tickets, should the system keep the last post date for me? So the next order that I post, will it default to that date that I had just posted? That's all that is. Same way with posting payments. If you're back posting, let's say you receive checks Friday, but you didn't get them posted Friday, and now it's Monday, and you're trying to post those checks, and you set your date back to Monday, it'll keep that date for each payment that you're posting. That's what that's saying. Otherwise, each time it's going to default it back to today's date. When you're posting work, there's a supply section, and when you're doing that, should the program right here, when I enter a line item, whatever it may be, let's say that I change this so it's going to bring dollar amounts in. Should this be a usage only posting where it would not charge money here? That's what that is. If I turn that off and move through, it's going to bring the dollar value in, and it's going to calculate it on out, and it's going to add that to my ticket. So that's what that is right there. Should that be on or off when I come through here? Or should it just eliminate any dollar value altogether? That's what that means. When I go to post my tickets, should the print on default on or off, or in the post payment, should those things post on or off when I'm posting my work? Right here, when I come in, should that be on or off? That's what controls that. And that pretty much wraps it all up. If you're still not sure about some of these things, just kind of play with them. But we pretty much covered it all. And it's user defaults. It's not a system-wide thing. So it's unique for each user. Okay? Well, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.